gonna explode volcanoes. So ready?
Should we do one at a time?
No, let's do it at the same time. Can wait. Ready? Let me put on the caps. So, guys. Safety first.
We can't find Ferris's goggles.
So she
that's
is
all right.
not safety.
She's not safe, but that's. I think she'll be okay.
I think she'll be. Ready? Here we go.
Okay, look, guys.
Whoa!
Whoa!
That scared me.
I like your blue volcano. Let's check out Ferris's.
Can we touch it?
Yeah.
I want to get some into my cup. Thank you.
Don't eat it. There's.
Yeah. I want some. That's all
Don't
I
make a
wanted.
mess, Elliot. Elliot.
Can I have some, please? Okay. Now we're going to show you how to do it. Get out. Today we're showing you how to explode your volcano. So first, put it in. You need baking soda and a volcano. Hold on, you need 2 scoops of
Put more in. Make it bigger.
I know. So then, 1. You can do as much as you want. I'm just gonna do this.
Elliot, no.
Okay. I'll just put like 4.
Doing blue?
Put 4 if you want a big explosion. And then, after that, vinegar? Dish soap?
I think water.
Warm water, 5 milligrams.
Milliliters.
Milliliters of warm water. So first you need, ow, it's hot. Okay guys, look over here. 5 milliliters. Milliliters?
Milliliters.
Okay, let's see. Is that 5? I don't care. I officially don't care. Just pour it in there. Looks like 5 milliliters to me. Then you need...
Mommy! I need something to eat.
Okay, hold on.
1 drop. 1 drop.
Everybody want to put some green?
Yeah, I'm going to do 2 drops. Just yellow in there.
Alright, put some green.
Now, if you want food coloring, I'm going to do blue. Bloop, just
Alright,
add...
that's enough. That's enough.
I'm just going to add so much
Okay, no,
food
no,
coloring.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay, that's enough food
Does
coloring.
that look good?
As you can see, it is a dark, dark blue.
Mix that.
You're going to mix it.
Whoa, that's cool.
And then you're going to get 5 milliliters
Ow.
vinegar. Looks good to me. Okay, this is going to be huge. Ready? Woo! Yeah! Yeah!
That's sweet.
Wow.
Wow. A blue.
Sissy, you ready for yours?
Yeah.
Let's get you some vinegar.
water.
And you also need Dawn.
Did you put the soap in?
No.
Here, I'll put your soap in.
Yeah, put my soap in.
Here you go.
Put my soap in.
Ferris. Here, Lincoln, pour this in for Ferris.
Go.
Ferris is doing it. And
Water.
here goes the vinegar.
Elliot thing. Here's your measuring cup.
So exactly 5 millimeters. No,
Milliliters.
nothing
That's good.
over 5 milliliters.
Is that green? Guys,
Whoa.
Lincoln put green in it.
Awesome.
I like this.
And that is how to
I've done this before with a
See you next time.
I've done this before with a pumpkin.
Okay.